Right. Yes. As we discussed the topics in inverse trigonometric functions,
Yes, sir.
that's related. Can you answer first question?
The principal value of sine inverse
The
sine.
principal value of sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3.
Yes.
Hear me clearly? Is audio okay?
Yes, sir. 120 sine 120 is y coordinate 120.
రాజమండ్రిలో 299 ఏమొస్తుంది?
√3/2.
Answer?
So is it option 2 pi by 3?
Correct only. Option 2.
Option 2, sir.
What did you do it?
So I first found the degree for 2 pi by 3 and then found what sine 2 pi by 3 was. That's sine 120 degrees. That's √3 by 2. And I plugged in sine inverse of √3 by 2 in the calculator, which gave me 60 degrees. So pi is 180. So 180 by 3 is 60 degrees.
Right. Yes, your answer is right. See, what is sine of 180 degrees minus theta? Do you know?
Sine theta, sir. Sorry,
That-
minus sine theta, sir.
No, in the second quadrant, sine is positive.
Oh, yes, sir. Sine theta.
Sine theta correct. That means 180 degrees means pi, nothing but pi, right?
Yes, sir.
Sine of pi minus theta is equal to sine theta.
Yes, sir.
Agree?
Yes.
See, x-axis, y-axis, origin, pi by 2, plus 1, minus 1, minus pi by 2. Graph of sin x is graph of sin x is, this is graph of sin x in the interval negative pi by 2 plus pi by 2, right?
Yes.
It is called the domain of sin x, sin x. Because if we exceed that, it is minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. If we continue, it is the graph of sin x. Sin x graph, right?
Yes, sir.
If we draw a line parallel to x-axis, it meets the graphs at so many points. It meets the graph so many points.
Yes, sir.
If line parallel to x-axis meets the graph at more than 1 point, it's not 1, 1. It's not 1, 1.
Yes,
For
sir.
example, if we draw a graph parallel, if we draw a line parallel to x-axis, we can draw as many lines as we wish. But
Yes, sir.
that parallel meets any parallel meets this graph at only exactly 1 point,
Yes, sir.
not meeting at more than 1 points.
Yes,
That's
sir.
why it is 1, 1, 1, 1 function. It is 1, 1 function. You may ask that, of course, it is taken from minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
We drew in the interval minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. What happens if we take minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4? It is negative pi by 4, it is positive pi by 4, right?
Yes, sir.
If we draw a graph in that interval, that means, yeah, if we extend it, goes up to 1, right?
Yes, sir.
If we stop at plus pi by 4, if we stop at plus pi by 4, yeah, it does not reach plus 1 and negative 1, right?
Yes, sir.
That means if we stop here, it's not reaching maximum value. What is the
Yes.
maximum value of sin x? Maximum
Pi
value of,
by 2. 1, sir.
yeah. So there is some gap to reach maximum value, right?
Yes, sir.
It is not onto. This function is not onto because there is some values missing in this graph, right?
Yes, sir.
This gap is missing. It's not reaching the highest value or least value, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why it is not onto, but it is 1, 1 and also reaching maximum value.
Yes.
There is no gap between them, maximal and minimal, right? It covers
Yes.
all points in its range. Range
Yes.
of sin x is negative 1 to positive 1. Range of sin x is negative 1 to positive 1, right?
Yes.
It is the range of sin x. Okay. It covers all points in the range of that sin x. So it is not only 1, 1, but also onto.
Yes.
Onto. If any function 1, 1 and onto, both 1, 1 and onto, that is called bijection.
Yes.
Bijection. That's why we have to take the domain of sin x as minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Please tell what's the range of what's the domain of sin x? Sin x function domain is negative pi by 2 by 2. These are the reason to take the domain of sin x as a negative pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Open interval. This is called open interval. Open negative pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Please tell now. What is the range of, what is the domain of sin x?
Negative
Open,
pi by open negative pi by 2 to.
yeah, open negative pi by 2 plus pi by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Range of sin x is open negative pi by 2, positive pi by 2. Got it?
Yes.
Now tell, is this value in the interval or not? In the domain or not? Is it that means negative 90 degrees, positive 90 degrees. Domain of sin x is open, not open, closed. Closed
Yes.
negative 90 degrees and positive 90 degrees, right?
Yes.
But this angle is 120 degrees. Is it in that interval? Is that in that interval or not?
No, sir.
Up from my negative 92 up to plus 90 only. Is it in that interval or not?
No, sir.
That's why we should not cancel sine inverse and sine. You know, sometimes we cancel root and square. Sometimes we cancel root and square, right?
Yes, sir.
The same way, we may cancel sine inverse and sine. But here we should not cancel.
Yes, sir.
See, I'm telling you one thing. For example, if we have sine inverse of sine 30 degrees or sine pi by 6, do you think that the angle pi by 6 is in its domain or not?
Yes, sir, it is.
Then we can cancel both and our answer is pi by 6.
Okay.
Can we cancel sine inverse and sine here?
No, sir.
That's why we should not cancel sine inverse and sine and say 2 pi by 3.
Yes, sir.
If 2 pi by 3 is in its domain, if 2 pi by 3 is in the domain of sine function, then we
Yes,
can, we are not cancelling because 2 pi by 3 is not in its domain. That's why we can bring this angle into that domain. See, that is sine of 2 pi by 3.
yes, sir.
We discussed one formula that is sine of pi minus theta is equal to sine theta. Do you remember? You only told
Yes,
that sine of pi minus theta is sine theta, right?
yes, sir.
Can we write 2 pi as 3 pi minus pi?
Yes, sir.
2 pi as 3 pi minus pi
Yes, sir.
by 3 by 3.
Yes, sir.
Now tell what sine of 3 cancel,
Yes, sir.
sine of pi minus pi by 3. What is sine of pi minus pi by 3?
2 pi by 3.
No, then we reach the same. We
Yeah.
can,
180 minus
yeah, sine of 180 minus theta.
180 minus 60, 120. So,
Don't do the calculation. Use this formula.
oh,
Sine of
minus sine, minus sine pi by 3.
not minus, plus
Sorry,
only.
sine. Yes,
Because
sine
it
pi by.
belongs to second quadrant.
Yes, sir.
In second quadrant,
Sine is positive.
sine is positive. That's why sine of pi minus pi by 3 is
Sine pi by 3.
sine pi by 3. Agree that sine 2 pi by 3 and sine pi by 3 both are same.
Yes, sir.
So we can write sine pi by 3 in the place of sine of 2 pi by 3.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just now we have proved that sine of 2 pi by 3 is equal to sine pi by 3.
Yes, sir.
That's why we can replace sine of 2 pi by 3.
Yes, sir.
So it will become
Sine pi by 3.
sine inverse of
Sine.
sine. Now tell, is this pi by 3 is in the interval of domain of sine?
Yes, sir.
So we can cancel it.
Yes, sir.
Answer pi by 3. Option 2, right?
Yes, sir.
We can solve this sum without knowing all these domain conditions. That is, as we did, sine of 2 pi by 3. As we know, sine of 2 pi by 3 is equal to root 3 by 2.
Yes, sir.
So we can replace this part with the root 3 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Then we have this statement, sine inverse of root 3 by 2. What's the value of sine inverse of root 3 by 2?
Pi by 60 degrees.
Yeah, 60 means
Pi by 3.
that's it. Answer is pi by 3, right? Got it?
Yes, sir.
But you should know this point. That is the domain of each function, sir. Yeah, domain of sine function is closed negative pi by 3, positive pi by 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, negative pi by 2, positive pi by 3. Negative pi by 2, comma, positive pi by 3, right?
Yes, sir.
But at the same time, domain of cos is, I will show the details. Right now, I will show. It's a chapter, full chapter. I'm sending you this right now.
You
Otherwise,
have the prapancham ra la kral Gosh.
You received, you might have received.
So 1 second.
Why it's saying you try? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
received.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, in it, the introduction, inverse of the function is defined. The
A,
option
B.
C. It's very important. You must take down, note down this. What is the domain of sine inverse x? And what is the range of
Negative
sine?
1 to 1, sir.
It is not sine x, it is sine inverse x, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What's the range of sine inverse x?
Negative pi by 2 to pi by 2.
Range of sine inverse x is the domain of sine x. That is sine inverse x, not sine x, right?
Yes.
So the order reverses. Now, what is in case of cos inverse x? It should be closer to 0 to pi.
Yes.
So if you want to cancel in case of cos, yeah, see it and there is some pen, right? See, I'm asking you, observe this. Please tell, can you cancel cos inverse of cos of 2 pi by 3? The previous in the previous sum, we should not cancel sine inverse and sine, right?
Yes, so we can cancel it now.
Yes, very good. We can cancel them because 2 pi by 3 is in the range, of cos inverse x, right? That is 0 to pi. Domain of cos x up to pi. 2 pi by 3 is in that interval. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
And in case of tan inverse x, it is open interval of. There is difference between open interval and closed interval. Closed interval means including. This bracket means including. This bracket means excluding.
Yes,
But
sir.
yeah, you have to take down the notes of these 6 points, right?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, we cannot rub it because we have to clear before minimizing this file. So
Oh.
we can't clear this. Even the option is not there. Okay, good idea.
So I can clear. So if you just screenshot the thing and send it to me, I can clear it and I'll send it to you back so you can replace the slide.
How
I have
is
this app that can cover it up, sir.
really?
Yeah.
Yeah,
If you take like screenshot of the entire screen, send it to me. I mean, without the Tanrika Mutiala and stuff. So you can just replace these slides.
what's the name of
The app. So it's a art app. I mean, to draw things, I bought it. I had to purchase it. It's Procreate.
done?
I can only erase the lines that you wrote, sir. That's it. Nothing else.
Doing?
I'll do it, sir. I mean, it'll take time, I guess. So it'll take time, sir. I can do
No
it.
problem. No problem. Yeah, I have an idea.
I mean, I'll send it to you after I'm done.
Let me try to retake. Okay, same. Okay, okay. I have another file. Yeah, got it. I have the copy of another file. I opened it,
Yes.
but I would like to know how to erase it later.
Yes, sir.
Now let's do take fifth. Do you think that minus 5 pi by 4 is in its interval or not?
Minus
Minus
5.
5 pi by 4 is not in the interval of stand function, right?
Yes, sir.
Without knowing the domains of any function, we can solve it. I'm telling you these three formulae. Sine inverse of negative x. Yeah, all these formulae are there in the files sent to you.
Yes, sir.
Sine inverse of negative x is equal negative sine inverse x.
Yes, sir.
These are very useful formulae. Next, may I get the details of the book? Book which has the those the last knowledge something. Yeah, in that content, is there any book?
So books are no, sir. There's no book.
But cos inverse of negative x is not equal to negative cos inverse x. It is equal to pi minus cos inverse x. Cos
Yes.
inverse x is special. Only for cos inverse x, this type of formula is there, exists. Next, tan inverse of minus x.
Yes.
Same as sine. Minus tan inverse x. First, use third formula.
Yes, sir.
And, one more thing, it is directly an sine of minus x. Sine of minus x is equal to minus sine x.
Minus sin x.
Let's see the difference between sine and cos. Cos of minus x is just cos x, not negative cos x or pi minus cos x. It is cos x, that is a cos inverse x. Notice the difference between these two functions, right?
Sir.
Because a negative x belongs to fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive. That's why
Yes.
it's special in this list.
Yes, sir.
Minus x,
Yes, sir.
same as sine, minus tan x, right?
Yes, sir. I'll take a screenshot.
Right.
Yes, sir. Got it.
First, we have to use sixth formula.
Yes, sir.
Use sixth formula and tell its result.
And minus tan
Yeah.
225.
By using sixth formula, it becomes sine inverse of tan of minus x is
Minus tan 225. Sir.
okay, minus tan 225. Very good. You know the value of tan 225 by using
One, sir.
unit circle,
One, sir.
and it is minus. So,
Yes.
tell
Minus 1.
minus
1.
minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Now use first formula.
Yes, sir. Minus sine 1.
Minus sine inverse 1.
Sine inverse.
Yeah, in that Dallas College website, arc is used sometimes because
Yes.
for the typing convenient. Arc and inverse both are same.
Yes, sir.
Here sine inverse 1 is there. Same can be written as arc
Pi by 2. Oh,
sine 1. It means sine inverse 1, right?
sine inverse 1.
Yeah.
Oh.
Tell negative. What's the value of sine inverse 1?
90 degrees.
That means pi by 2, right?
Pi by 2.
Option.
Option 4, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, do you remember on the other day we wrote formulas for 15 degrees and 75 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Do you remember cos 15 degrees?
Oh, cos 15 degrees. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2.
Very good. We know cos 15. Can you do you know how to convert 15 degrees into radians?
15
Pi
by
by
180.
15 goes how many times in 180?
1 by 12, 12, sir.
Sorry, pi by
5
12,
by
right?
12. Yes.
So cos pi by 12 is nothing but cos 15 degrees.
Yes, sir.
What is its value?
Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2.
Very good. Taking reciprocals on both sides. What is the reciprocal of sec? Sorry, cos? It is sec.
Second pi by 12 is 2 root 2 by root 3 plus 1.
Very good. So answer for sixth question is
Sixth question is pi by 12, sir.
pi by
12.
very good. As we know, cos pi by 12 is the root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Sec pi by 12 is 2 root 2 by root 3 plus 1. That's why sec inverse of 2 root 2 by root 3 plus 1 is pi by 12. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, I'm telling you some formulae. These are very important formulae. We didn't reach that chapter, but we should know this. Tan 2 theta is equal
Oh, yes, sir. I know this. 2 theta.
2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta.
1 minus tan. 1 second.
Got it? From this, there is a formula for 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse alpha is equal tan inverse of
Tan 2x is
2 alpha by 1 minus alpha square.
yes.
I'm telling another formula. Tan inverse of alpha plus tan inverse of beta is equal tan inverse of
2
plus
alpha.
beta 1 minus alpha beta.
Yes.
And can you tell there are 3 conditions for it? Conditions apply. I will show that conditions. Tan inverse alpha minus tan inverse beta. Can you tell? Tan inverse of
Tan inverse of alpha minus beta, 1 plus alpha beta.
alpha minus beta by 1 plus alpha beta. But for it, there are no conditions. For the last formula, there are no conditions. Last but one formula has conditions. I will explain the conditions, right?
Yes.
Let's start solving seventh question.
The value of sine 2
Seventh question.
is 1 by 3
All
to
you have to simplify this point. Simplify it. Which formula is used to simplify it?
2 tan inverse. So second formula.
Second formula and simplify it. Till then, the remaining terms are as usual. Sine of
Sine of tan inverse 2
2 times
times 1 by 3
by
by 1 minus 1 by 9
very good, very good.
plus cos
Yeah, plus
cos of tan inverse 2 times 2 root 2
very good.
by 1 minus 8.
That's it. That's it. Yeah.
So 1
sine.
minus by 1 minus 8, no, sir.
Where
Tan
is
inverse
tan inverse 2
2.
root 2? That's it. No. See, we use formula if the number is
Oh,
before it.
2 times. Yes, sir. Yes. Got it. Yeah.
Sine of tan inverse. Yeah, simplify it.
Tan inverse 2 by 3
Yeah, times
by
what?
8 by 9 by 8
9 by 8.
plus cos of tan inverse 2 root.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Now simplify this.
1, 4, 3. Tan inverse of 3 by 4.
Very good. 3 times and 4 times.
Tan inverse of 3 by 4.
Plus cos of tan inverse of 2 root 2, right?
Yes, sir.
You know, even if the values are in their domain, we cannot cancel them because one is sine, another one is tan inverse, right? If
Yes,
it
sir.
is interval, we can cancel, but those two functions must be same. Here, these two functions are not same. That's why we cannot cancel, even if the values are in their domain also, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, how to do this, right? First, take this part. Read it. Tan inverse of,
Tan inverse of 3 by 4.
yeah. We can tell tan inverse of root 3. What is tan inverse of root 3?
Uh, root 3, sir.
Yeah, pi by 3.
Root tan inverse of root 3.
Tan inverse of root 3, pi by 3.
Yes, sir.
Tan inverse of 1 by root 3,
1 by root 3.
pi by 6.
Oh, yes, sir.
Tan inverse of 1,
45 degrees. That's
3 by 4, 45
5
degrees.
by 4.
Okay.
Yes,
But,
sir.
but we can't say tan inverse of 3 by 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Let us take this value as alpha. In the list, there is no 3 by 4. In the list, 0, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3, undefined, right?
Yes, sir.
But it is not, 3 by 4 is not there in the list.
Yes, sir.
That's why let us take this alpha. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, take tan on both sides. It will become tan alpha is equal to 3 by 4.
Yes, sir.
Tan alpha is equal to 3 by 4.
3 by
Draw a diagram for tan alpha. For alpha. Alpha. Tan means opposite side by adjacent side, right?
Yes, sir.
Opposite
Sine
side,
3
side
and
is
4.
got it?
5, sir. Tan theta is 5.
Can you say sine alpha from it?
Sine alpha 3 by 5, sir.
3 by 5.
5.
Yeah. Tan inverse of 3 by 4 is equal to sine inverse of 3 by 5. Have you note? Do you know the reason why converting tan inverse as sine inverse? Any idea? Actually, that is tan inverse of 3 by 4. It has been converted into sine inverse of 3 by 5. Do you know the reason behind converting tan inverse of 3 by 4 as sine inverse of 3 by 5?
Will they give the same value, sir?
Yes, because functions are same. We can cancel them, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell the next step. What should we do? It is cos.
Plus cos of tan.
We convert it into cos function, right?
Yes, sir.
To convert
Oh,
it,
cos inverse 4 by 5. No?
no,
Yes.
it is different. That is 3 by 4, but it is 2 root 2.
Oh, yes, sir.
Same, right?
Yes, sir.
So let us take tan inverse of 2 root 2 as beta, right?
Yes.
Now tan beta is equal tan inverse of 3 by 4 is equal to alpha, then tan alpha is equal to 3 by 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Tan inverse 2 root 2 is equal to beta, so tan beta is equal to
2
2.
root 2.
It is beta.
Yes, sir.
It's 2 root 2 by 1, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is 2 root 2, it is 1. Can you tell hypotenuse? Root of side square plus
2 whole square plus 1 square is
yeah,
60.
no. 2 root 2 whole
Root
square.
60.
Whole square. 2 root 2 whole square is equal to 2 square 4 root 2 square 2.
8 whole square, 64.
8 plus 1.
65.
Why?
Sorry.
Why? Its square
So
is
because it's square, no, sir. So it will
yeah.
be 8 square, no? 64.
After squaring, we
Oh,
got
sorry. Yeah. 8 plus 1, 9. That will be 3, sir.
yeah. We have to convert the tan inverse of 2 root 2 to cos inverse, right?
Cos of 1 by 3.
Very good. It is cos inverse of 1 by 3. Very good. Very good. Now, can we cancel?
Yes,
Because
sir.
both are same. Sine, same.
Yes, sir.
So after cancellation,
Cos
sine
3.
inverse can be cancelled, right?
Yes, sir.
Because 3 by 5 is in the interval of sine inverse, in the domain of sine inverse interval, sine inverse axis interval,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
It is 3 by 5. What about the next?
Cos and cos can get cancelled.
1 by 3.
1 by 3.
So that
15. Hmm. 14 by 15, sir. Option 3.
did the calculation.
Yes, sir. 14 by 15.
14 by mark the answer.
15. Yes, sir.
Right. That's good. We have so many interesting questions in the chapter. One angle, so inverse ellipse. Did I send this file to you?
Yes, sir. I think so.
Yeah, right. These files are in that means PMD format.
Yes.
You have to convert into PDF. Right now, yeah. Any idea? Can you clear that?
Yes. 1 second. Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Yeah, very good. Yeah. Let's start to solve this. Yeah. What to do now? Let's take tan inverse 2, right?
Yes, sir.
What should we do? We have to simplify tan inverse 2 and cot inverse 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Shall we take tan inverse 2 as alpha?
Yes, sir.
I have to. Yesterday, I started my process. I approached some person to get a passport. They asked me to prepare Aadhaar card and PAN card and 10th class marks list.
Oh,
But my 10th mark list, 10th certificate is in my college. There is a
okay.
process to get it. After
Yes.
getting, I will apply for a passport. Tatkal, it
Yes.
will take a week. Within a week, we may get passport. It's very bad luck. They asked me, it's very bad luck for you to not to get passport till now. Yeah, after passport, it may take 1 month or so to get visa.
Yes, sir.
Do you know, is there any interview for to get passport? Just appearance
Interview?
is enough, I think.
I don't know, sir. I don't know about the passport, but I know for the visa we need to go for an interview.
Don't have passport?
I don't know for the passport if we have to go for an interview, but I think we need to go for an interview for a visa.
VS entry is there. I do watch in movies. VS entry.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Thanos 2. Let Thanos 2 is equal to alpha, right?
Yes, sir.
Which means tan alpha is equal to 2.
Yes, sir.
2 means 2 by 1. Alpha 2 1. Can you tell hypotenuse?
Uh, uh,
Root
four,
of side
root
square.
5, sir.
Very good. Yeah. Let's take this also. Let us take quaternions 2 as beta, right?
Yes, sir.
And quad beta is equal to 2 means 2 by 1, right?
Yes, sir.
You will enjoy solving this sum right now. Beta. Tell quaternions 2 1.
Yes, sir.
It is root 5, right? Is
Yes,
there
sir.
a way to get thinner pen?
I think you need to change the, it's when you go and click on the pen, sir. Like,
There are options. So yeah,
no, sir, pen, sir.
pen.
If you
Yeah,
go right click on the pen, is there any options?
right click.
Yeah,
Right.
right click on pen.
Yeah, right click is not working there.
Oh, then we should.
Only left click. I tried some time. Sorry, arrow options. Arrow. No, right click is not working. So it is default thickness.
Say, is there a highlighter right click or ink color?
Highlighter
Like
is the
somewhere right click should work, sir.
right click is not working.
Yeah, then that means it's the default and it won't change.
Default. Then PPT. There are so my some YouTubers use different tools. I need to
Yes.
learn. See, okay. Now rewrite the eighth statement. Rewrite the eighth sum. 6 square of what is this value?
Tan inverse 2, that's
This value is taken as alpha.
alpha, sir. Yes, sir.
Got it? That
Yes,
is,
sir.
there is no scope to cancel. Even if we convert tan inverse 2 as sec inverse something, we should not cancel because pair is there. If there is no square, like in the previous question, see, their square is not there for seventh question. Observe seventh question.
Yes, sir.
Sine, right? Square is not there for sine. That's why we can cancel. Converting tan inverse as sine inverse. Here also, we have converted tan inverse as cos inverse. We cancelled cos and cos inverse, right?
Yes, sir.
But that process is not applicable here because square is there. So there is no use converting tan inverse to as sec inverse something. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Instead of that, we can just write tan inverse to alpha. We can just write alpha in the place of tan inverse to, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, next tell. What about next part, second part? Cos cosec square of. What is this value?
Part inverse of 2 beta, sir.
Very good. Cosec square beta. Now you can solve this sum. Try to do. Can you write on the screen?
I can't write today, sir.
Yeah. Continue this sum. 6 square alpha. That,
1 by sine sorry, cos
no,
square alpha.
you can observe diagrams. Alpha diagram is there, beta diagram is there. Sec alpha means
Sec alpha.
From the first diagram?
s- root 5 by 1. Sir.
Very good. That is root 5.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then sec square alpha?
2, sir.
No. Sec alpha is root 5.
Oh, root 5 by 2.
Root 5 by?
2, sir.
Oh, sec means hypotenuse by adjacent side. Yeah,
Yeah.
you answer correct.
Cosec.
Root 5 by 1. That is root 5.
Yes, sir.
Sec alpha is root 5.
Yes, sir.
Then sec square alpha is?
Root 5 by 2.
Why 5 by 2? Root 5 by 2. See, sec alpha is equal to what is tell sec alpha? What is sec alpha?
Adjacent by hypotenuse.
Yeah, root 5, right? Squaring on both sides.
Hypotenuse by adjacent. Yes, sir.
Yeah, just squaring on both sides. So sec square alpha is?
Root 5 whole square.
Very good. Why 2?
Oh,
2
I
is,
was talking about cosec.
I think your answer is cosec, right?
Yes, sir.
For cosec, since it is beta, we don't use the first diagram. This diagram is only for alpha.
Oh, then that is also root 5, sir.
Yes, that also root 5. But the reason is different, right?
Yes, sir.
That also root 5, but the reason is different.
Right, that is one. So is the answer 10?
Yeah, root 5 whole square, right?
10. Option 2, sir.
Answer 10, option 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, let us solve 9th question. Cos inverse 4 by 5. Let's take cos inverse 4 by 5 as alpha. Cos inverse 4 by 5 is equal to alpha, which means cos alpha is equal to
4 by 5.
4 by 5. This diagram for alpha. 4, 5. What about this? Any idea?
4 square 16 plus 25. Root 41. Sir.
No, it is not hypotenuse.
Oh, sorry.
As x.
3, sir. 3.
Correct.
3.
Next. Let us take cos inverse of 63 by 65. Cos inverse of 63 by 65 as beta. So cos beta is equal. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Beta 63, 65. Can you tell?
63.
16.
Is it, sir?
Got it?
Yes.
65, 256, right? Now, it is cos inverse of 4 by 5, right?
Yes, sir.
It's nothing but alpha. We take it as an alpha, we take it as beta, right?
Yes, sir.
Once you see the options, first option cos inverse of something, second option cos inverse of something, right? Third option, except the fourth option, every option has cos inverse, right?
Yes, sir.
So please tell what is cos inverse of 4 by 5? Alpha.
Yes, sir.
What is cos inverse of 63 by 65?
Cos beta. Beta.
Now let us find cos of alpha plus beta. Do you remember formula cos of a plus b? We wrote yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Cos alpha cos beta.
Cos alpha, cos beta.
Minus sin alpha sin beta.
Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. It's here.
Now tell what is cos alpha? We need not use
4 by 5, sir.
yeah. Cos beta.
63 by 65.
Very good. Sin alpha. Diagram.
Sin alpha 3 by 5.
Yes, 3 by 5. Sin beta.
16 by 65.
Very good. Now simplify it and tell an option.
252 by 3. Four by 325. So is it option 1?
Option 1,
Yes.
LCM is 325. 4 into 63, 252. Minus 48. Very good. 204. Option 1. Right. Yeah. First, let us solve 13 sum. First, let us solve 14 sum. Do 14 sum first.
Yes, sir.
Do you remember there was a formula? Tan inverse alpha plus tan inverse beta. That is tan inverse of alpha plus beta by 1 minus alpha beta. Direct formula, right?
Yes.
Yeah, use it and solve 14 sum.
Tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 1 minus by 2 by 3. So is it option 2 pi by 4?
Option 2 pi by 4. Very good. Yeah. You know how to solve it? There is a formula for 2 tan inverse alpha is equal tan inverse of 2 alpha by 1 minus alpha square. Got it?
Yes, sir.
By using it, you can simplify this. Then you can cancel tan and tan inverse because square is not there for tan, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 2 tan inverse of root 5 minus 1 by 2 is equal tan inverse of 2 tan alpha. 2 alpha means 2 times of root 5 minus 1 by 2 by
Yes.
1 minus
Mm.
root 5 minus 1 by 2 whole square. You can simplify it. Then onwards, you can cancel tan and tan inverse, right?
Yes, sir.
And in 13 sum, you can convert this use same formula. Then it will
Yeah.
be converted to tan inverse of something.
Yes.
Yeah, you can also convert this sine inverse as tan inverse of something and use this formula. Got it?
Yes.
So you can try 12th and 13th.
Yes, sir. Screenshot.
And also 17th and 18th.
1 second.
Take screenshot of them.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can do 16th also.
Yes, sir.
16th, 17th, 18th.
I'll try, sir, if I can do it.
Yeah, try them. And
Yes.
go through that file and
Yes,
solve
sir.
try to solve sums.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Danika, see you in the next class.
Thank you, sir.